Assalamu alaikum ji. I'm Rabia Najam, principal of Crescent Model Higher Secondary School. This is a 50-plus-year-old school. It was established as a trust, not-for-profit school, offers different streams, जिसमें IB भी शामिल है, metric भी शामिल है, Cambridge भी शामिल है, starting from early years up till college and Cambridge, A-levels और FSc इसमें शामिल है. As far as IB is concerned, it's the largest IB PYP school in the world. And there are multiple programs that we're offering. Redefining school is is something that we are working towards. Talking about Crescent Emerging Technologies Center, we started with the robotics program in 2021. And ever since, we've established about 11 robotic labs in both the schools. And now we have added Crescent Emerging Technology Center about a year ago. इसमें different multiple programs हैं, जिसमें robotics, IoT, simulation, astronomy, entrepreneurship, and there are 23 different programs in all these different zones that we have. We are here to prepare our students for industry and bridge the gap between school and industry. जनरली अगर आपने सुना हो तो बहुत बात होती है एकेडमिक्स में कि यूनिवर्सिटी और इंडस्ट्री का गैप ब्रिज करने की ज़रूरत है, विच इज़ अ फैक्ट. बट आई थिंक वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग दी स्टूडेंट्स जो स्कूल और इंडस्ट्री को कनेक्ट करेंगे. और इस वक्त जो प्रोग्राम्स हम ऑफर कर रहे हैं, दे आर बीइंग ऑफर्ड करंटली इन सम यूनिवर्सिटीज़ एज वेल. सो हमारा बच्चा जो क्लास ग्रेड 6 या 7 का स्टूडेंट है, वो उन प्रोग्राम्स में डेवलप हो रहा है और उसकी मास्टरी डेवलप हो रही है, जो इस वक्त यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल के स्टूडेंट सेकंड सेमेस्टर, थर्ड सेमेस्टर में कर रहे होते हैं. एंड anybody come and see, but in fact I would like you to come and visit our technology center and see it for yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Samina Ikram, Vice Principal Programs, Crescent Model Higher Secondary School, and I am also heading Crescent Emerging Technology Center. If we look 5 years ahead in future, it's all about technology. And if we will not train our students accordingly, then we as a nation will be left behind. In Crescent Emerging Technology, for this purpose, we started robotics in 2021 from class K2 to class 8. Instead of starting robotics as a subject, we integrated robotics in our maths and science curriculum. And looking at the interest of the students and their performance in various competitions, we decided to start something else for them. As a next step, we established Crescent Emerging Technologies Center, CETC, on 20th April 2024. Now the center is 1 year old, mashallah, and 818 students have already taken certificates in different levels. Now we are going to have our summer program starting from 11th of June, and it is open to outsiders as well. We have 5 zones in our center: robotics zone, Internet of Things zone, entrepreneurship zone, astronomy zone, and simulation zone. We are offering 23 courses to students from age 10 plus. And for our very young students, that is from age 5 till 9, we are offering playful boards to our very young students, age 5 to 9. The timings during the summer vacations will be from 9 a.m. till 12 a.m. with very nominal charges, which I think is affordable to everyone. The achievements during this 1 year of our students is uncountable. Their performance in each and every competition they went was amazing, and the students will themselves share with you their achievements. Which the students will get certificates for each level, which will be acceptable throughout the world, and that will enhance their CV as well. Crescent Model Higher Secondary School has provided this opportunity to all the students, and I wish and pray that maximum students should avail this opportunity.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Amara Farooq here in CETC. I'm an instructor. And to be honest, when I joined CETC, I had no idea that what they have in their bucket for the students. But it amazed me that how many things were there in the pipeline, like astronomy, like C++, Python, simulations, and we are actually equipping students with different participations in different competitions. They are actually making the students able to go and think beyond the limits. Actually, when I was doing my engineering, I had no idea what a controller is, and now I'm amazed that Crescent is actually offering a controller to a fourth grade old student, which is a very big thing. And when these kids will definitely, when they'll grow up, they are going to do wonderful things.
My name is Miali Shafiq and I am an engineer by degree and an educationist by profession. I decided to mix both of these and now I am working here as a master trainer at Crescent Emerging Technology Center, a vision seen by our managing trustee Altaf Muhammad Salim. It's been 1 year of working here and a lot of students have have taken certification from us. 600 plus students have already succeeded in taking certification and now 200 plus students are registered here. A state-of-the-art facility and one of its kind. I urge all of you to join Crescent Emerging Technology Center. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Safdar Munir and I have completed my bachelor's in computer engineering from Comstate University and I have completed my MPhil in robotics and artificial intelligence from NUST. I am working as a trainer in CETC from last year and I am teaching here Python. In Python we teach mobile robotics, robotics programming essential, industrial robotics and fusion robotics. So hope you will like that.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Dasha Fatma from Crescent Model Higher Secondary School. I am from class 7 Blue and I thrilled to join this course and I am very lucky to get this opportunity, especially as a Crescentarian. And I am looking forward to complete RoboWang level 1 and I believe that this course will be valuable to achieve my goals. And I give a big thanks to teachers and trainers who give us a positive learning environment. And I am very excited to begin this journey further with all of you. Thank you so much.
I'm Iman Dalal and I'm currently studying in O2. Along with that, I am a proud student here at CETC. I've successfully completed one whole level of RoboWang here. Besides that, I have participated in dozens of international and national competitions along with a wonderful team. And I am not here to take all the credit. The credit goes to our amazing instructors and the workplace they provide us here. Believe me when I say CETC is a place where youth can come and learn about the growing technologies and innovative tasks.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zureid Zaman and I am from class 7 Walid. And I am learning in CETC since 2024. And the trainers in CETC are very kind and helpful. And I also have enhanced my circuit skill in CETC. So I also recommend you to join CETC. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Sikandar and I have an exciting experience at CETC. It is an exciting place to be and I will recommend to everyone who likes programming. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Tahreen Fatma. I study in grade 6. Recently, I've completed the level 1 of coding essentials and nowadays I'm doing level 2. Well, when I was very happy when I was successful in the evaluation test of level 1 because I was ready to make a game by my own. All of this credit goes to my trainer, Miss Amara, who has taught me in such a fascinating and enthusiastic way. I recommend everyone to join CETC because CETC is all about technology. We can do coding up here, of course, on softwares and hardware as well. I use software Scratch for coding and I also use robotic kits to create robots that actually work. I recommend everyone to join CETC because we all know the future is about technology. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Abdul Hadi and I am a student here at CETC. I enjoyed my courses here. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Hadi Ismatullah from grade 7 Blue, and I have joined CETC this year. I have completed my level 1 and level 2 of RoboBank successfully. At the start, we have done some simulations, and then we started doing the mechanical part and the software part of the Arduino. In the simulations, we have done and we have worked on many sensors like ultrasonic sensor, temperature sensor, and IS sensors. C++ is the mother language of Arduino. We have learned different loops in different conditions which are used in C++. I highly recommend you to join CETC.
My name is Mohammad Burhan Khan and I am from 7 Violet, and I have completed Robotic Programming Essential Level 1 and Programming Essential Level 1 at CETC. I have learned a lot about Python here. Thank you, CETC.
Hi, this is Daniel. I am right now a student of 12th standard at St. Anthony's High School. I have successfully completed my Introduction to Robotics Level 1 course from CETC. Being a part of this institution is very helpful for me. It provides me many services, like it provides me the information of buzzers like sensors and motors and servo motors, etc. And also I have done many projects in this field like making robots, knowing the artificial intelligence. It's really new for me, but it helped me a lot, and I suggest everyone to come here. It's a very honored and good thing. I'm proud to be a part of CETC.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamdan bin Umar and I am from C2 Blue. I have successfully completed my level 1 of Python Essentials, and I hope to do more courses in the coming future. My journey has been very innovative and fun. Thank you, CETC.